It's my third day of combining corn. I started on some of my flatter ground. Yielding pretty good. A lot drier than I thought. It's been about anywhere from 13.2 to 13.4 moisture. I'll try and get some video of actual combining, but just wanted to get out and stretch my legs. Been using 2 tractors to haul in. My dad is on his way to CVA and Hooper right now with that load. The stalks have been real good. I've been happy with that. And again, kind of like the beans, very impressed with the yields considering the dry year we had. So far, I don't know unless my combine isn't calibrated right, but I think it is. It's in the 190s and it keeps climbing down here in this good ground up in that hills up there. If you can see, that wasn't quite as good because a little sandier and hill ground doesn't do as well. But combine's been doing a great job. Like I mentioned in other videos, first year running it to 2577. Oh, and then this corn head's not mine actually. I'm renting it because my other one's not done. Rent it from Tight Machinery in Fremont. It's a 2206. It's been doing a good job. Might consider buying it possibly. Let me get a shot of the yield monitor and stuff that'll show up. Let's see here, does that show up on camera? Doing pretty good. My acres recounted on this field, I actually had done about 38.93. That's 6,973 bushel. I think my moisture average is off right now because, like I said, the scale in town it's showing in the 13s, like I said. But happy with everything. I'll try and make a video of actual combining, but thanks for watching.